What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be roasting some corn on the cob. First things first, you want to do is when you get your corn like this from the market, you want to go ahead and peel it. Try to get as much of these little strings out as possible. And because I'm going to wrap them in foil, I'm going to go ahead and cut these babies off right here. Came out pretty clean right there. I'm gonna continue doing these to the others that I have, and I'll catch you guys in the next step. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you're gonna get some foil paper because you're gonna be wrapping them in foil. Go ahead and get one of your corns here. If you want, at this point, if you want, you can add a little bit of salt. Doesn't really have to be on it because it's not gonna stick to it that much. You can probably put pepper. I mean, you can probably put this after you put the butter, but I just throw everything at once. Since it is going to be going in here, just gonna put, this is a little bit of butter. I mean, you can smear it on there, but it's not gonna really make a difference. It'll start melting once you roll it in there and put it in the barbecue pit. So it'll all just get in there. You wanna wrap these pretty tight. And repeat the process until you're done with all of them. All right, very simple. Now all we gotta do is stick these babies in the barbecue pit. Let me take you to that step. The next step is to prepare the dressing for the corn. For this, I always start off with the chili powder I'm gonna use. And this is not rocket science, it's just kinda to your taste. You wanna add some lemon juice, concentrated lemon juice. And a little bit of water. Just try to make a paste here. Now some people like to go ahead and put this one on its own, apply this to the corn on its own, but I like to make a little concoction out of it and do it all together at once. See how it's kind of watery there? You want to add a little bit more powder. You want it to be a little bit coarse, a little grainy. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see that through the camera. Hopefully you do. Trying to record in a higher definition, so you got this type of consistency, very grainy. Now you can stop here and just wait for your corn to come out. Apply mayonnaise first, and you want to apply this afterwards. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do it all in one step. I'm just gonna apply the mayonnaise here to my concoction. So that when I apply it, I just apply it once. I don't have to do it two different steps. All right, when you're happy with your concoction, just go ahead and cover this up, put it in the refrigerator, and wait for your corn to come out. This one is really up to you how much of the chili powder you're gonna use, or how much of the lemon juice, or how much of the mayonnaise, or if you're gonna use mayonnaise. This is all really tailored towards your taste. So you have fun with this one and make it your own. So the corn has been roughly in there about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and open this up. And turn them around. Gonna give them about another 10 minutes there, and then we'll do it again. It's been about 10 minutes. It's time to flip these bad boys a little bit one more time. Give them another 10 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and do the next step. All right, so these bad boys have been in the, I guess you would call it, in the barbecue pit for about 30 minutes, roughly. Careful when you bring them out because they are going to be hot. Next thing you want to do here is you want to unravel them, and we're going to stick them back in the barbecue pit to get them that grilled taste. And just on their own, they look nice and ready. stick these babies back in the barbecue pit, get them a little bit of a char to them, and I'll take to my final step. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these, whoa, put them naked. Well, let's put them this way so they don't roll on me. And I'm just gonna keep an eye on these now that they're bare and naked on the barbecue pit. I gotta keep an eye on them because they can burn really easily. So maybe give it like 3 minutes and then come back and take a look.